Our Sunday afternoon has been a pretty nice day all across the Coastal Empire and the Low Country. We have a lot of sunshine right now over Savannah. In some spots, we do have a few clouds around. Temperature-wise, we've warmed up very nicely into the lower and middle 80s for many locations, upper 80s for some locations in the western portion of the viewing area. 81 degrees with a south wind at 18 miles per hour at the Savannah Hilton Head International Airport. As you would expect with all that sunshine locally, Viper radar is all clear over the Coastal Empire and Low Country. But as we look toward middle Georgia, we do have some very active weather moving through. Strong storm likely producing a tornado moving just south of Macon. That's moving to the east-northeast, not in our direction, but we will have to watch out for the potential for some strong and severe storms as we head into the day tomorrow with another batch of storm activity that is moving in from the Gulf. There are tornado watches in place for the Florida Panhandle, Alabama, and of course into middle Georgia, where we do have that active severe weather right now. As far as the forecast for Monday, it will be a weather-aware day because of the potential for a few strong and severe storms likely in the afternoon hours and into the evening. Conditions will be rather breezy and gusty. Even without severe storms setting up, we could have wind gusts in excess of 25 miles per hour. In any of the severe storms that set up, we will certainly have even stronger winds developing that could cause some damage. High pressure, that's why the storms that are moving through right now are not going to be moving into our area, moving through middle Georgia and North Georgia right now, but this is pumping in a lot of warmer and more humid air from the Atlantic and the Gulf ahead of a frontal boundary that will bring those showers and storms through our area going into the day tomorrow. And then cooler air returns for the later part of next week. Temperatures will be back into the 60s and 70s for highs. So for Monday, severe storms are possible. Storms likely, damaging wind and isolated tornadoes are a possibility. Storm timing generally in the west around noontime, and most of the strongest activity will start to settle down during the evening hours. However, rain will continue likely through 9 and 10 o'clock, and by far our main concern will be heavy rain, damaging wind, and there is a low-end risk for isolated tornadoes and large hail developing. So it is going to be a weather-aware day because of the heavy rain and that severe potential. So here we go on Vipercast going through 12:45. That's when we do expect some of that heavier rain to begin to move into our area. You can see the front actually moving through by 3 and 4 o'clock with the heavy rain and strong storm potential at that point. Winds will be very strong at times, over 20 and 25 miles per hour for us as the storms are rolling through 9 and into 10 o'clock. That's when the storms will start to move off of the coast. By 11 o'clock, maybe some light showers still ongoing at that point, and then heading into our Tuesday, the early morning hours, we will begin to see the sky gradually clear out. Now, as far as the rain totals, again, some of it will be pretty heavy, over an inch for many locations, especially further inland, more toward the coast and further to the south. It looks like those totals might be a little bit less, but either way, it is going to be a pretty nice and soaking rain for us on Monday. For tonight, partly cloudy, definitely a breezy one. Winds still gusting to around 20 miles per hour for us going into the overnight hours. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s to lower 70s as you head out the door early tomorrow morning. And then for tomorrow afternoon, it is going to be a gusty day, even without severe storms, with those storms likely, though, throughout the day. Temperatures just in the low to mid 80s for most locations. As far as that boating forecast, not looking too bad out there, other than for today, not looking too bad. For tomorrow, it will be not a great day to be on the waterways. Seas 4 to 5 feet, winds gusting to around 25 knots. Better weather does move in for us Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It will be cooler, rather chilly, especially for Wednesday morning, 47 degrees for that wake-up temperature, gradually warming up ahead of more showers possible for next Friday and Saturday. So Monday, tomorrow, that is our main concern.
So get those umbrellas out,
Get
those
them out
raincoats,
and be ready.
all that. Yes. All right, sports is coming up next.